when people talk about engagement, engagement looks different when you're learning and teaching like this. You know, engagement isn't necessarily having a camera on. You know, you can still be engaged and not have a camera on. So when I say to kids, you know, if I were to say to a classroom, if I was in a classroom right now, I'd say, hey, you know what, guys, I'm going to be teaching this. I'm going to be talking for about, I don't know, this 10 minutes. What do you say? And I'm talking 9th grade, 3rd grade. I don't care. I'll do the same thing. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something called check it on in or whatever, which means that when you hear that, you flip that camera on, okay? Because I'm going to make sure that your eyeballs are so excited about what we're learning today. Now, even if your eyeballs are like this, okay, just check in anyway. And the job is that hopefully a month down the road, when I say check on in, those kids with no cameras on check in, they stay on for 30 seconds and they check out again. And then eventually they start to leave the cameras on. But I can't make an assumption that they're not engaged. You know, the same thing with our live classroom. Can I make an assumption that you're engaged or not engaged because you put your head down on the desk? Something's going on with your life right now, right here. I really, honestly don't have time to talk to you about it right now because I got 26 other kids in the room too. So am I willing to make a judgment call that you're not engaged and you're blowing off the lesson? No. I'm willing to say something else might be going on, okay, but I'm still going to teach, still going to keep rocking and rolling, hoping you're picking up some stuff just because you're there, and I'm not going to take that personally. Engagement's a weird thing. We throw the word around all day long, but are we really sure we know what it is? Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.